Rich Arcadia, just out of curiosity, of what you've seen in costs and the many, Snowflake deployments you've done, is there one that has the greatest amount of impact that you've seen? And that's probably how long is a piece of string question, but like, is there a pattern where you see, a lot of expense going to one thing or another?
I think virtual warehouse certainly is the biggest one because that's where
Hmm.
most of your operations are going to happen.
Hmm.
Um, we have some folks that experiment with Snowpipe, but ultimately end up doing that somewhere in process.
Hmm.
Um, Sometimes people will materialize views because it improves performance around their BI tools. Um, but the other component, of course, is replication. So if you're replicating really large data sets, so it is, Jared, like you said, sort of how long is a piece of string type of
Yeah,
question.
yeah, yeah.
Well, and a lot of it is the combination of all of these things, right? And it's interesting as we work with different clients uh, that have different data estate kind of setups and in Snowflake. These things are related. So automatic clustering, for example, we could set up automatic clustering on a table, and it might not be charging us that much from a credit perspective. But if we've got, and we're going to talk about this more in a minute, if we've got a change data capture tool that is doing blind updates to that table, so our churn on that table is immense, then the automatic clustering could become very, very expensive. If we've got tables that are becoming fragmented because of the way that we're loading those,
Hmm.
then our queries might be running much longer than they need to because they're going to be opening up all of the micro partitions for a table instead of being able to selectively open a couple of micro partitions. So those queries are going to run longer, which
Hmm.
means that virtual warehouse is going to be running longer. So all of these are related, and it's important to learn and understand how they're related if you want to use any of these tools in your Snowflake, data cloud or the data estate. So.
Gotcha.
Hey, folks, thanks for checking out this cut from our broadcast. To see the full show, click on the link in the video description. Also, check out our Learning Center, which has white papers, events, live streams, and short explainer videos on a wide range of data management topics. And of course, if you like our content, please share it on LinkedIn. That really means a lot to us. Thanks again for checking us out, and we hope to see you in our next broadcast.